Hello friends, Lucas Torelli is here and welcome to this new Photo One Masterclass entitled Commercial Wedding Retouching. The rules of retouching have changed and will change in the next future. The advent of artificial intelligence outside and inside Photoshop is a reality, and we can understand how to use it by taking advantage of all the tools at our disposal. In my personal opinion, this has increased my creativity because I have many new and exciting possibilities to improve my work, both during the shoot and in post-production. Now we can make more choices, get better results, and retouching can be more creative. In fact, I like to call it creative retouching, precisely because I can make more creative choices during my workflow. In the masterclass, you will learn how to work through my examples with different retouching routines, some tips and tricks, how to work with mask selections, generative fill, and how to use artificial intelligence in combination with photography to improve the results of your work, the best panels and actions I use for retouching, and my coloring routines, and much more. I will give you the right mindset to be creative in retouching and make absolutely stunning images. So, are you ready to get started with me?